What's up everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card from StockX. StockX is a marketplace where buyers and sellers can make anonymous offers on a wide variety of shoes, streetwear, electronics, and collectibles. As a live marketplace, StockX empowers buyers to bid and buy at real-time prices that reflect the current demand. If you're the type that entices this kind of shopping platform, then this is for you. Nonetheless, today we're going to dive into how to remove credit card from StockX. You might want to log in first to your StockX account. And once you're there, you can see on the top right part of the StockX homepage is the icon logo, which is the way to go to your profile tab. After that, on the left side of the page, there are options for profile overview, buying tab, selling, favorites, portfolio, message center, wallet, settings, and lastly, log out option. Since this video is in relation to the payment method, the one you will select is the wallet. By clicking it, you will be routed to the bank accounts that you have linked to your account. Click Edit and you will be able to view the details. Here, you can edit or remove the information within your bank account. If after doing that still did not allow you to remove your card, here's another option for you, which is by clicking the Contact Us button at the bottom of the Help Center page or down below and request to delete billing. The StockX team will then delete your billing and shipping addresses along with any credit cards on file. Anyway, that's it for today. That is how you can remove credit cards from StockX. Thank you so much for watching.